Hello everyone, this is Vijay. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build an e-commerce website full stack and responsiveness. So now let's go. Now create a folder and open VS Code, and in this folder create some files like index.html and create another folder assets where style sheets and scripts are included. So basically we are creating in HTML format structure. Okay, after in title tag, now create two comment internal style sheet and another is external style sheet. So now write internal style sheet responsiveness dot css and another is style dot css. So we are link this file both. Okay. And when after body tag, we are create a comment internal scripts, and in this internal scripts we are write and connected scripts.js. Now open style.css, and in this file have to margin 0 and padding 0, box size in border box. Yeah, we have to create some colors and which is change in letter. So first primary color we are select F2, FF, EA or E9, and secondary color 04, 34, 6, 4A. And rating, so in this rating is red or V3 1 3 1 2, and button color, and in this button color 872634 Now set background color in our body tag, and in this body tag background color variable primary color and color and black. So you are on set black color. So now in default color black, 000. Okay, and in this background color change in our color variable black. Now open index file. In index file is one tag, right, compo tag, and open live server in our web browser. So now it looks good. Now open new tab, write box icons. In inbox icon for uses, and you can scroll down, then you can see web component in script and paste in our external script. And to go back web browser and scroll down where uses as front and copy this style And in our index.html page, paste external style sheet or type a new comment box icons. To make sidebar, for first comment as dot sidebar, another close sidebar. Okay. In div section, sidebar and dot logo details and dot logo name. So in this logo name, we will write Computec sidebar. I write UL class in analyst class, and now paste and in list tag our input type text and placeholder search. Okay. Now span it class tooltip and it search. Okay, we have to go our web browser in box icon. Here is go to box icon and search. Get search icon, and in this search icon we have to font, not component. So copy this font and paste here. And similar for as list anchor tag, and in this empty anchor tag span class links name, and in this link name where category, and similar for copy this span and paste here and change this class tooltip, and copy this icon and paste here for change class, for we are using grid for category. Okay, similar for copy and paste more 2 times and change in our font icon for user in where says for account and account, and similar for next one is chat and messages. Okay, for copy one more time and paste here, and in this messages for heart, and in this heart for feature products or features. Okay, now we are at a list for profile. So profile, and in this list profile details, and in this div section we have to name and job. So first is image, profile image, and create a new div section here name and job, and name I've used to my channel name, and subscribe I hope, and job is our passion, web designer. Okay, so now we have almost complete our sidebar. So now in here logout icon, change logout, Okay. And ID is logout. Okay, now in our web browser for check in our HTML structure. Okay, everything is good. For time reason, I will provide the CSS source code in this description. I hope everyone enjoy this video and learn more. So now subscribe everyone and thank you.
Hello, welcome back. In previous tutorial we are complete sidebar and I provided the CSS and JS source code in previous description. And in this tutorial we are make a header section and add the night mode function. So now let's go. Now open index page and go to web browser, search Bootstrap CDN 5. In Bootstrap uses for responsive website for easy. And scroll down for here see bundles. In CSS copy and go to index page and paste here external star sheet. Okay, and go back again in our web browser and scroll down for bundle, copy in JS bundle, paste here. Okay, we are see our any changes, no, so it's okay. First in this button is comment and type to comment start top bar and close top bar. In header section, in this header section first div header content, and in this header content header logo and copy this button and paste here. And in this close of header content write new div section here logo and image. I will add later images, so first in space. So in new div section header content 2, and in this content here we add night mode function. So first anchor tag and a function on click, in on click night mode night function and first parenthesis of event. Now copy for icon, here we are change button, remove and replace menu for moon. Okay, and for a new card we have to similar for anchor tag and copy previous moon icon and paste here for card and alter. So in our basic structure is and added a class header. So now in our web browser for live server, the toggle function is already worked. Now go to our CSS file. In CSS, I previously provided in our previous tutorial. So now I start top var and close top var and dot header width 100% and height auto or 80 pixel. Background wherever light and display flags, justify content space between, and top 0 left 0 pixel and position fixed. Z index 101 because in previous sidebar we are used Z index 100. And dot header logo margin 20 pixel and dot header logo image width 80 pixel and height auto. Dot header content to display flags and justify content space between. Dot header I her color variable dark drk and height 60 pixel and mean width 50 pixel and sorry for here 50 pixel. And font size 28 pixel and text align center, line height 60 pixel. So now complete in our CSS structure. Okay, and but in our night mode is not worked. So now we are add function in our JavaScript. So open in our JavaScript page script.js. In our basic structure, it's well good. Now open JavaScript for night mode function. So add first comment night mode. And in our function night function event, so first function and paste night function event and second parenthesis event dot prevent default semicolon and event dot stop propagation in our spelling mistake, so change propagation and semicolon. And in this variable, new variable element document dot body and element dot class list toggle dark mode. So save this file and go to web browser and change in our body for dark mode, and in this dark mode background is black or variable dark. Okay, dark body and color is light, variable light. Yeah, in this mode. So now refresh this page again and dark mode is worked. Now go back CSS file and change background dark mode, dot dark mode, and dot header. In this header background color, background variable dark. Okay, and in dot dark mode I dot header I are uses for color variable light. Okay, now refresh this page and dark mode is okay. Higher sidebar and top bar is same, and in dark mode is smoothly worked. So that's it in this tutorial. So everyone, take care.
So hello everyone. In previous tutorial we are complete sidebar, top bar and night mode function. In night mode function is worked properly. So now let's go. Open in your VS Code, and in sidebar have an error. So fix it. So delete insert icon alter to. Now save your file and open your web browser and refresh this page. Now in search bar is okay. Yeah. So copy in your URL and open VS Code extensions in mobile view. And install your mobile view extensions. After install, open mobile view. I use here pixel 1 and paste URL in here. Yeah. Now you can see mobile view is responsive our website. Now split it. Yeah. Now minimize in our sections and create a new comment. And in this comment, home section and start home section, and copy and paste another comment, close home section. And in this section ID home and class height 100, and in this height 100 is bootstrap. So now new content div container, and in this header tag 5 new arrival. H1 for a span, and in this span best price and this season. And a paragraph tag, invest products, and a break, the most affordable prices. And in this button, class shop button, shop now. Okay, in our HTML structure is complete. Now open CSS file and add to comment. Start home section. Another is close home section. And copy ID and paste here. Background image, URL. So in this image folder, I will provide it you in Facebook page. So edit image for background and save it. Okay. Now adjust height and width. So width 100% and height 100 width. Okay. And background size cover. Display flags and flags. Directional column. Justify content center, align items, flex start. Now it's okay. Now open your web browser and see this text. If night mode function, the text is awesome. So we have to change color. Home span and color variable VTN. Yeah, to change in our section ID name and ID home. Yeah, now in expand color it's worked. Now dark mode in this home span is color variable light, but same color is background already exists. So change our color light. Okay. Okay, now change in S5 for ID and S5 font size 28 pixel, font family and default. Okay, Now add a home, no remove, and button. So dot shop btn. In the shop btn background color, but btn color, and mean width none, remove for the percent, and font size 20 pixel, font weight 800, and border none, box sizing border box, and height auto, border radius 5 pixel, 20 pixel, 5 pixel, and 20 pixel, and change mean width for 40%. It looks good. And change font weight 700. Yeah. For transition, identifier opacity 0.5%, rise in out. Now dot shop btn and hover, animation, button, movement 0.5%, linear infinite. Okay, now add keyframe. So let's add keyframe and button movement 0.5%. For 0%, background color change. So background color variable for btn 0%, and copy paste for 2 times 50% for light. Yeah, it looks good. But in our web browser, it's not proper. So responsive part in here in mobile frame. So max width 768 pixel, and shop btn mean width 80%. Now change our web browser fast for 30%. Yeah, it looks awesome. And now our web page is proper worked. Now open your index page and add comment where custom messages for first div section, parent container, and message container, and another div section for text container. And in this span for id text, and in this span we will write lorem 2. Now you can see now open css file, and similar for add to comment, start custom message and close custom message. First section and display flags justify content center, and align items center, and padding top 20 pixel. Yeah. Now another div section, copy and paste here, and in here display flags and item center and justify content center, and with 80 pixel and overflow hidden. And background color for change variable, have a first color, and load this page. Yeah. Now padding 10 pixel and border radius 20 pixel, and color light. And change the background color here for dark. Yeah. Now copy another div section, text container, and paste here. And in here white space no warp and overflow hidden. Font family sans serif. Yeah. And now ID text and display, inline block, and font size 16 pixel, font weight 600, and animation side left 5 second linear infinite. Now add keyframe and side left copy and paste here and defer, and 0% transform translate X and 100%, and copy more 2 times, paste here 100%, another one is 100.1%, and change minus 100%. Okay. And change in here message container with 80%, and refresh this page. Yeah, it's worked. Now another comment for index page, asset categories, section ID, categories, and set dot category title, and in this category title is to for top category, and another is half, and in half CL, a paragraph CL categories. Okay. Now HR class MX auto in dot get and category half, and add image, and in this image which is in folder for category like is left off, in paragraph tag left off, similar for another, copy and paste. and change in title. Similar for added another other categories. Now open CSS, and in this CSS file add comments, start categories and close categories, and add categories, copy and paste here for which I am padding left 80 pixel with 100%, and background variable for dark, for change for color here light. Yeah, it looks good. Overflow hidden, position relative, and new ID categories dot category and title. For recheck, yeah, copy and paste here. Now justify content, a space between, and display flags. And then items center. Now open your web browser. Yeah, and see top category and see all is a space between. Now change for this to, and background color, first color, and color for primary color is no. Formatting is not proper good, so change color for dark is good. Now margin 0, and copy paste here. Text decoration none, and categories dot category hr with 100%, border with 3 pixel, border radius 5 pixel, and border color for change it color variable it's dark. Good. Margin 0 auto, and previous line at semicolon, and now margin bottom 20 pixel, okay. Now refresh the space. Yeah, now change in here for remove, and you can see is left 0. Now what is good, and open dot get for display flags and change for get for category season, justify content, space around, and white space no warp. Overflow hidden, no overflow x auto, and WebKit overflow, scrolling, and scroll snap touch, and jax x mandatory. Yeah, margin bottom 20 pixel. Now add the categories and dot category, and border radius 10 pixel, and add the border 2 pixel solid, and add color dark. Okay, but I have pretty error in here for category. Add close data. Now copy it and paste here. Similar for copy and paste other category. Yeah, now save this page and refresh it. It looks good. Now open a sheet and display flags, inline block, and scroll behavior, scroll snap align, start, margin right 10 pixel. Now open web browser. Yeah, it looks good. Now categories and category image with 80 pixel and height 80 pixel. Similar for copy and paste here for paragraph tag, text align center, and font size 16 pixel, font weight 600, and anchor tag for text decoration none. Okay, but in our mobile view for some error for category cut. So first categories, add a categories in a categories padding left 5 pixel, and and get display a block. Yeah, looks good, but graphics card is so bigger than other. So change this card for GPU. Yeah, it looks awesome. Now open your BS web browser and final look. Yeah, that's it. And change in here categories, margin of 20 pixel for category. And hello everyone, this is Vijay. In previous tutorial we are complete a home section and a shop now button and top categories. Today we are added a product card and product images. So now let's go. Open your VS Code and add to comment start top feature products. Okay. Now section add feature products. Okay, in this add section featured products titles and here's to top featured products and anchor tag for paragraph tag sell all. Okay, a new HR and class MX auto. For product cards a new div section product card and discount tag add a span for discount tag save 500. Okay, for images L1 I will provide it images for products in description. For anchor tag for image name the products name is 3 and in this text file first product name and prices product price. First one is product price and second one is discounted price. So we have added price and a span for symbol. Okay, copy and paste again. I will change in here featured every div section. Copy and paste featured products. Okay. and add a buy now button. Class btn for featured products. Featured btn and buy now. In our first product cart is complete. Similar for copy and paste other product cards. I will skip in this part. Now check in our web browser for products. Yeah. Now open a sheet and copy for comment and paste here. Close top featured products. Now go and ID copy and paste here. Should hashtag paste with 100% and background light and overflow hidden. Now another section, titles, display flags, justify content, space between, and an items center. Now for anchor tag of is to and to background light. And color dark. Margin 0. Okay. Now copy and paste for anchor tag. Text decoration none. Featured products for HR. And copy, paste here and HR. Now previous we are read code and copy and paste here. Now open your VS Code web browser and see, but background is sent, so we are padding top 20 pixel. Now space. So now change our color. We are added light to, yeah, background color is changes. Similar for adjust color. Yeah, looks it good. Now product cards for products. Copy and first comment products and paste here. And display flags warp and justify content space around. Another section, copy and paste here feature product, here position relative, into border 1 pixel solid, and color dark. Padding 20 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel, width 250 pixel, and display inline block, vertical align top. Okay, now open your browser and see the product. Now copy discount tag and paste here discount tag, position absolute, and top 30 pixel, left 20 pixel, background variable rating, and color light. Okay, padding 5 pixel, 10 pixel, and font weight 700, and font size 0.8 em, weight 100 pixel. Now open browser and see it looks good. We can edit here a border radius. So border radius 0 pixel, 50 pixel, 50 pixel, and 0 pixel, and transition all 0.5s is, and added a hover. I have to change color and background color. Okay, have to change background variable light. Yeah, broadcasts is looks good. Now image, for feature cut image, max width 100%, and height auto. Now it's fixed. Now go back VS Code for S3, copy and paste here S3, margin of 10 pixel, font size 1.2 em, for another go paste here for anchor tag, text decoration none. Okay, now go back web browser and see product names. It's good. Now copy and paste. For another. And paste here. For feature product prices, display flags, justify content, space around. Another featured price, and in this featured price, font family weight, bold, and add font size 16 pixel. For another price one, text decoration, line throw, and font size 14 pixel. For change for 16 pixel is good. Now web browser, see. Now go for featured button, and in this featured button, display, block, margin, top right 10 pixel, and the background fix, background variable dark, and color light. And text align center. And text decoration none. Border radius 5 pixel and width 100%. Now go web browser and see, it looks good. But size is not good for product cards. So we have to edit product height. So height auto. Now change to our product's name for adjust product card. So in our product's name, where write for S3, to change our featured product card is 3, where display WebKit box and WebKit orient particle. Okay. And line for WebKit line clamp 2 and overflow hidden. Okay, now save this file and open browser, refresh it. Now our product card it adjusted. But background color is not good for product cards. So go back. For changes, background color, product card background light to okay. but it has a gap for body color. Open VS Code and index file, minimize for features, and add a new div section. Add it to FP for feature product and cut here and paste. Yeah, pasting. Now save this file and open CSS file. In here, for edit feature products.fp, and in this fp change color for light 2. Okay, save this file and open browser. You can see this gap is filled now. Okay, now copy URL and open mobile view and paste here. Now split. Okay, now our web browser website is full responsive.
Again.
And you can see our responsive website. And open web browser, night mode. Okay. Now added a new portion of pagination in feature products. So comment pagination and first div section pagination number and pagination for anchor tag ID pagination previous PTN for edit HTML sign and copy paste for delete and edit class active. For number 1 and copy paste again, remove classes and give number 2 and 3, and in previous button for remove next button. Okay, save this file and you can see here. Now open CSS file. And in this pagination number with 100% display flags, justify content flags and pagination display flags justify content space between or center and margin top 20 pixel. Yeah, now copy pagination and in this pagination anchor tag color variable dark. And float left. And added padding 8 pixel and 16 pixel. Text decoration none. Now pagination dot active background color or background for light. Yeah. And color dark. For similar for copy and paste here, remove active, added hover, not active. And the background similar for light 2 and here background variable light 2. Okay. So in our presentation is added and see web browser. Yeah, looks it cool.